Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, then welcome back. I'm so excited to have you here. And today I'm going to share with you a delicious creamy potato salad that's very quick and easy to whip up, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So I've just got a mixing bowl that I'm going to put this potato salad in for now, and I'm starting with 8 small boiled potatoes. So I've removed the skin from these, but if you like to eat the skin on your potatoes, then leave it on. I've sliced mine up, but again, you could cube your potatoes. However you like to eat your potatoes and your potato salad, just cut it that way. So I'm putting these slices into the bowl. And then my mum as a child used to always put tinned peas and carrots. So that popped into my head this morning and I thought, I'm going to do that today. So I actually got peas, corn and carrots, but I do prefer just the peas and the carrots. If you don't have a can of this on hand, put whatever you like in here. You could put some chopped up red bell peppers, some onions, even some frozen peas or frozen corn would work perfectly well in here. Just adjust it to whatever flavors you like to add in. And then I've got about 5 large gherkins that I've cut up. You could also use some dill pickles, they work perfectly well. So it's about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup's worth, and I'm just popping those in as well. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of dried mixed Italian herbs. So you could use any dried herbs that you have on hand or even fresh herbs. Dill works amazingly well in here as well, but I didn't have it today, so this is what I'm using. And then just give that a bit of a stir through. Okay, so I'm just going to set this aside and then I'm going to make the dressing that's going to go onto this. So to make this dressing, I'm going to use my small Tri-Best blender. I love using this blender just to make some smaller amounts of sauces and dressings, etc. So that's what I'm using today. And if you are interested in getting this blender or want to find out a little bit more, I'll leave a link to it below and you can check it out. So that's what I'm using today. I'm using the small cup that comes with it. And I'm going to start with 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm also adding in 2 teaspoons of freshly juiced lemon, and this will slightly curdle this, turn it into a plant-based buttermilk, if you will, and give it a slightly thicker, creamier texture when it's all blended up. I'm also adding in 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then I've got a clove of garlic going in. I just love the pungency of fresh garlic. It just makes things so delicious. But if you don't have it on hand or it's a little bit too strong in flavour for you, then just use some garlic powder in place of this. And I would probably use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder in place of the 1 clove of fresh garlic. I also have some chopped up scallions, so about a tablespoon's worth. 1/2 teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt, but if you are salt free, then by all means leave it out. Next, I'm putting in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Again, I think it's the German coming out of me. We love our mustard, we love our potatoes. Yummy. And then finally, I'm just adding in a peeled boiled potato. So the same potatoes that went into the actual salad mix, I'm using to make the dressing. It will make it delicious and creamy. I have removed the skin, but again, you could leave the skin on and it blends up perfectly fine. I just took it off today to make it a little bit extra creamy. And now it's time to give this a blend up. Okay, so this has been blending for about 1.5 minutes and it's gone a very nice, smooth, creamy consistency. Oh, it smells so yummy actually. So now it's time to pour this delicious creamy dressing over the potato mixture and then maybe cool it in the fridge for a little bit, but I like to have it at room temperature. So I'll be digging into this for my lunch as soon as I make it, and it smells absolutely delicious. Okay, let's mix this through. Oh, this smells and looks so good. Yum. And there you have it, your potato salad is ready to go. Potato salad with potato dressing. It doesn't get any better than that. And now there's only one thing to do. Try it out. Potato heaven. Absolutely delicious. All those flavors combined so nicely, and that dressing is absolutely amazing. Please give this recipe a try because it is so good, and I want you to take this to barbecues, to picnics, share it with your friends because this is an amazing recipe. Come on over to the Facebook group that I have as well. I'd love for you to join me there and show me photos of where you take this potato salad, the things that you add in, the extra vegetables that you like to use. I would love to see your photos and your creations. I'll leave a link to that below, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Oh, so yummy. Lunchtime.